Hi. So this is proof that I've been sitting here watching the movie doing this Rubik's Cube. Shut up. Alright, girl. Oh shit. Hey, if you didn't want it, somebody else would have took it. Isn't he hot? Yeah, he knows what to do with that. Exactly. I hate stupid bitch. I hate stupid men. Fuck, I just fucked this bitch up. So stupid.
Thanks.
You smoke? Oh no. Hey bro, you didn't want the pussy, I took it.
Yeah. Well, we're kind of going out.
Shut the fuck up.
You are, of course.
Who does she like better?
Yeah. You coming with us? Where are you going? No, I'm cool. Where are we going?
This is killing me. Like, it's actually just like murdering me right now. Fucking stupid ass bitch.
Hey there, what?
Two scotch.
Exactly.
Make it 3.
Bro couldn't have. He couldn't just take the fucking pussy. He couldn't just took it and go. He could have just got that shit like a DoorDash order. But this dude wanted to complain.
But, I'm about to graduate.
Congratulations. What's next?
Shut.
Georgetown, hopefully.
Really? That's great.
Oh really?
How do you two know each other?
How do we know each other?
So you're like an actor?
No. Strictly producer. Dee and I also used to go out.
Well,
Excuse me, Seth.
I mean, is she older or? Oh shit. Is that alcohol? I thought he was in high school.
I don't know if this is really the place.
Right.
No, nothing.
It-
It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, that's a lie.
Hey, you on for me?
You got one for me?
Where?
Here. You turn it like so.
Hey, where you going?
No, fuck you. I'm kidding.
So you're really in there. Hey, I get it. Believe me, she's gorgeous. Just think you'd want someone more your age.
Literally.
She's my age.
Yeah, I meant experience-wise. No offense.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Take care of it.
Oh my god. That's Mr. Peters. That's my dad's friend. He comes over to dinner all the time with his.
Really? Hey, Peterson!
What are you doing?
Yeah, you! Get over here! God damn, Peterson. Haven't seen your black ass in ages.
Wow.
Do I know you? What the fuck's your problem? I just fucking with you, man. Hey, you know my friend Maddie here, right?
Oh, this is embarrassing.
Hi, Peterson. This is Maddie's first time. Why don't you buy him a
Ooh. Okay, so I'm just going to, because I'm not sure if I can show that on camera.
No, big dinner's on Thursday.
So, was it 4 of them? The scout.
It's for, moral fiber. Dude, oh my god, I'm trying to talk about this line.
What the fuck? Shit has lasted way too long.
Make better sex ed with my mom.
Wow. In unprotected sex?
Hello? Hey, Bob. We're all going to the creek tonight. It's gotta be a gag. You're coming, right? Can't, guys.
My wife's pregnant. Cause of prom. The way he said cause of prom is crazy.
Guys, you really? You girls are 18, right?
I will be.
Really? You ever been photographed? Hey,
Oh,
nothing last night.
you've ever been photographed, you did?
Here's my man.
T-
Maddie, you didn't tell me you got some serious burners either. Hey, you know who's got the killer dog? This fucker right here.
I would actually be so scared for him.
Right, we're out.
Hey, where are you guys going?
We got things to do, ladies.
Do you want to hang out?
Hop in, fellas.
Here we
Always leaving one more.
go. Ta-da! I did it.